What?
Oh.
Yeah, I am. Here we are in the...
Too, I do get paid Friday, and I get paid again.
You're getting paid?
You do know the whole time we're here, like right now, I'm getting paid.
You are. So here we are in the middle of the city. We're heading back to our hotel right now. As you can see, we just came from a pretty epic restaurant. Everything is picture menus though, because obviously we don't really understand all that much Japanese. But another thing you guys can all see, they drive on the left side of the road here compared to the right side. So you can see it's definitely a lot different compared to how we're accustomed to everything. So, but even though most of the stuff is in Japanese, I mean, a lot of it, it's not too hard to get around. Obviously we know the basics and stuff like that, but until then,
it's only the first day.
Yeah, this is only our first day. We got 2 weeks. Say that again, David.
2 weeks.
2 weeks is right. So,
right. That, Melissa? 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Is that 2 weeks? One more time.
2 weeks. So yeah. So anyways. And by the way, you see like all these vending machines everywhere.
You're talking to me, you're talking to me.
Like look here. Like as you can see, this is for cigarettes. So if you want like a actual quick smoke.
Let me
But nope. No thank you. So yeah, but you can find a vending machine around every corner, just like in Boston where there's Dunkin Donuts and a CVS around every corner. Here you have vending machines around every single corner. So that's that.